Okay, now some useful tricks here. If you want to create a new list with the same elements multiple times, for example, you can you want to print like 6 zeros to a specific list. You can do this by, let's just delete this. Okay, and uncomment this first. Okay, let's say you want to print your list. I just comment this. Let's say my list. Let's say my list, and this list should have like contain 0. Remember, we want to print 6 zeros. Then you can times 6 here, and then if we try to print our list here, print my list, Control and save. Okay, so we have a list with 6 zeros. Okay, we can also concatenate a list. Concatenating is like adding a list. What should be my list one? Let's say equals to, let's say to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and my list 2 to, let's say, equals to 7 and 8 and 9. So we want to print a new list which equals to my list, then plus my list 2. So if we print the new list, we should have this list concatenated. Okay, as you can see, our list is added correctly. Okay, just to note here, instead of 6 I kept it 56, but it's all the same. No problem with that.